You've heard of classical music, regular movies, classical cities, anyhow have you heard of classical homeschooling? Yes, there is such a thing, and it's completely distinguished in this season and age where increased parents are making the ruling to homeschool their kids. With public schools filling up, scaled down and curtailed created and energetic teachers, and deeper kindergarten violence endlessly, it's not surprising that greater little kids are coughing up their K-12th grade intellectual acquirements in their home sweet home. You must headmost empathize with what a classical education is in order to empathize with this manner of homeschooling. The essential theory behind classical learning is this. The coaching and course of study manner must transform with the cognitive evolvement of the youngling. The spokespersons of the classical manner of knowledge believe that single technique of schooling cannot be eminent for a 5-month-old and additionally be used on a teenager. Because of that, there are 3 courses of coaching that are tackled throughout the youngster's knowledge process: trivium, analytical, and abstract. Trivium is tackled during the grade school years and is particularly centralized on clear and distinct thinking. During this time, the teacher spotlights on getting the pupils to memorize facts and data about certain categories. The analytical development comes next during classroom and builds upon those essentials and gets the students to know the details and spurs eminent thinking and intelligence just about the facts. The final background, abstract, is harnessed during the pricey classroom years and halos the pupils to think outside of the box on the subject matters and be able to articulate their head and feelings on the categories being learned. Classical education spotlights deeper heavily on history, art, the culture of Western civilization, and the progression of a biblical worldview, with theology being the instructor of the sciences. For this reason why this manner of coaching is very leading with Christ followers looking to homeschool their youngsters. There are scads of supplies out there to assist you knowledge your children at home sweet home with the classical knowledge techniques. Be acquainted with fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.